Why you don't want to be in my video?
I don't want to be in your video.
Because
I discuss you. Really?
oh, y'all can't see her number, but yeah, she said she don't want to be in my video, but she already is. So yeah, say hi, Yanna. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay. Are we gonna talk about something, or is this just gonna be a waste of people's time?
I said I don't want to be on your video phone.
All right, tell the people what you told me that time about butterflies and thunderstorms and some crap.
What about butterflies? I don't remember what I said. Look at that. What was it about? Tell me what it was about.
She said I was her butterfly in a thunderstorm or a hurricane. In a hurricane. What the hell does that mean? What does that mean?
It means times under stress, you are the spirit that flies within the turbulence of beauty and the beast.
I'm gonna pretend like I know what you just said. So say bye. Say bye.
Bye!
This is what I gotta deal with every day.